Track 15, Benson and Victony, Cough Syrup. I'm excited about this. I hear these two names and immediately, yeah, two very talented motherfuckers that are about to punch up and see, and to see who comes out alive. Even though it's not supposed to be a fight or a battle, but let's see, man. Benson and Victony, Cough Syrup. Refreshing the poll.
How many man we go follow my body to go? Casket. To go talk before you go fully.
Cold opening, man. I remember Benson actually tweeting about this opening line from Victony. But bro, the delivery is even better, man. How many man go follow my body go casket? But really, he had that pause and then he said casket. Hey, alright, we're here Victony, let's go, man. Oh, okay, small detail here. I love that little bit of intro where it feels like you're hearing behind the scenes type of recording going in the back end where somebody's just humming. It feels like they're just writing to a song. It feels very Sampha-esque in lots of the atmosphere. There's a lot of artists that do that in some sense. I just absolutely love that slight detail in order to intro the song. I thought that was cool, man.
For your living bracket mouth, I did write my songs on a low key.
Victony! What the fuck is this intro? Victony! Okay, I'm getting gassed up, but bro, that scheme, and then the way he flexes vocals. Hey, talent, bro. Talent, bro. Oh man, that was so dope. Bro, that was so suave. That was so smooth. I'm sorry. I need to take a breather. I definitely need to take a breather. And I need to actually hear what he was saying, because he went into a flow that was so fucking good with the production, man. That was just too well matched. But let me actually deep what he's saying. I'll process what he's saying, bro. As soon as the transition, bro, that was insane. Victony is having a generational moment right now, bro. This is a fire verse, or like a guest feature. How is this not even a song? This is music.
You know how many times I go choking the mic, bro?
Yo, I'm sorry. This might be my collaboration of the year, bro. I'm sorry. These two are here. Benson's not going to have his own verse. Benson's not going to cook and transition into the chorus too. Bro, this is crazy. Please make sure Benson goes on the chorus, because I split the record in half. This would be such a fucking dope collab if they do that. Please do that. Ah no, this would be sick. This would be sick of a collaboration. I don't know if I'm overstating what this record feels like. I don't know if I'm gassing this, but bro, fuck out of here if you think I'm gassing this, bro. I could care less. But bro, this is next level like brilliance. Like, we have two heavyweight penmans, okay? Like two heavyweight punchers as far as the scene goes. And they're fucking cooking. Do you know what Victony opened up with? Bro, before the Jazzy put the more hits. Oh God. No, man. Nah, bro. Nah, I'm gassed up for Benson to take charge now, because Victony has laid up. Do you know what I mean? They're set up. Now I want Benson to just slam dunk, man. Let's the alley hoop, rather. I'm mixing up my basketball terms, but you get me. You know what I mean? Let's land it.
And then the floor's coming cold like an Eskimo. Perfecto.
Bro, he took the same structure. Brilliant. Good choice.
So I write my songs on a day. Cause me, I feel savage like not me single, yo. Come and put your ranking. Swear beyond your understanding. I've been stone cold.
Ah, that's a bar. That's a bar. That's a bar, bro. That's a bar. This nigga's like, no, that's a bar. That's a bar. That's a bar. I'm sorry, man. Oh, man, this record is... Nah, bro. I'm not even like, we're not even into the end of the record, bro. This is insane. This is an insane record. This is an insane record. That's a fucking bar. Cause me, I feel savage. Like, so I'm missing Galileo. Ah, that's a fucking setup and a punchline.
Me, I feel savage like not me single.
Galileo.
Come and put your ranking.
He said, come in, put your ranking. That's this nigga is insane. This nigga's insane. This nigga is insane. That's ball knowledge. The savage and Pato ranking play right there, bro. I'm sorry, man. That's ball knowledge, bro.
Really envy me. No ability to put them melodies together. Enemy. They really watching me. They really open up.
In the blood of Jesus, I go this up for my brother. He go first by Cosiro, and he go feature go.
It would have been colder if Benson ran the chorus back, but I'm not mad. I'm not upset. I'm not upset. These guys are giving me a collaboration that, yeah, a collaboration from the ages, bro. Yeah, this is a collab, bro. This, I don't know, bro. There's layers upon brilliance on this record, bro. Oh man, not to talk about the production and how dynamic it is. Like I've always wanted for Benson to go for. None of that hook verse type plateauing type production, bro. We're getting pauses, we're getting breaks, we're getting transitions. Okay, we're getting life out of the production. But my goodness. The structure that Victony built for the song. I don't know who is responsible for the structure. I don't know who's actually responsible, even though Victony came first. So there's the likelihood that it's a Victony structure. But my goodness, that was so brilliant, bro. That was so brilliant. The transition from the opening lines from a verse to a pre-chorus, and then there was a chorus there. But each transition was so like potent, especially when he had that inflection and then moved into another phase, and the beat now moved with him, bro. Nah, man, this is a song. This is a song. This is a collab, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. This album.